Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn build an AI agent that writes Twitter, LinkedIn and the Instagram posts in Python. So let's get started. So basically the code is already done. So here I'm gonna add a prompt over there. So terminal. So what do you want to post about, right? So here I'm going to write some of the examples. Let's take an example like personal brand, no product launch. So topic would be launching. This one I'm just copy this one. So I'm just writing this, an extra context. Okay, so I'm going to add the context, so it will give me the post for the LinkedIn, Twitter and the Instagram. Okay, let's paste this and let's do this one. Okay, generating all three platforms in parallel. Okay, so let's see what it's generate. Okay, so here we go with the all three posts we have. This is LinkedIn post and this is our Twitter post. Your store is losing the sales every night. You don't want 24 support, so we'll build an agent. This is that. So the post is there, link in bio and all this. LinkedIn posts it's come and the Instagram post is come. Okay, all post generated, copy paste and post. So this is how you can generate with the help of this. So which technology we are using, I'm going to discuss right now. Okay, so let's go and just check. This is the examples. Okay, so we are using the langchain, right? Langchain is a Python library that helps to build applications using the AI language model. Okay, think of it's like a glue that connects your code to your AI brain, right? Claude, GPT, etc. Why we use it? Without langchain you have to write a lot of boilerplate code to talk to the AI APIs. Okay, so if Claude AI is the engine of a car, Langchain is the steering wheel, gearbox, and the dashboard. It makes the engine usable. Okay, so that we are using, and we are using the prompt templates also. So prompt template is a pre-written instruction we given to the AI that tells it how to behave, like a job description for the AI. Okay, the most important thing that we are using here, that is runnable parallel, the key concept of this project and what exactly it is. Runnable parallel runs multiple chains at the same time instead of one after another. All three posts are generated simultaneously. So without parallel, slow. With parallel, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, all three are done at the same time, 3 seconds. Okay, and the code is basically like this. So I will show you the code base also. So here we go with this one. So this social media agent, net.py, right? And agent dot, here we have the agent, right? The full-fledged agent, here you can see that, right? So social media management, and here we have the topic and the context that we are invoking. Okay, then here we have a generate post all from the three platforms in parallel, right? Prompts, we have this one. Okay, so LinkedIn prompt. So here we have an Instagram prompt that we are using, and rules we have already defined, right? So this is very simple and very easy files, you can see that. Okay, so this is the main file, that is agent.py, that is help to generating that three posts. Okay, with the help of the title and the context. So yeah, so we are using the Claude Sonnet for that one. You can change the model. Okay, few questions that's come in your mind, I'll just give the answer of that one. Can I use the chat GPT instead of the Claude? Definitely you can use it. Replace the chat Anthropic with a chat OpenAI from the LangChain OpenAI. The rest of the code stays exactly the same. That's the beauty of the LangChain. Can I add more platforms like YouTube or the Facebook? Yes. Add a new prompt in the prompts.py and add a line that runnable parallel in the agent.py. 5 minutes of work. Is this the free to use? LangChain is free. Claude AI charges per token per word. Generate the three posts for roughly this much of amount. Can I turn to this into a web app? Of course. What is a token? A token are the piece of the words. Hello is considered as a one token. And why not just ChatGPT website directly? You can, but this is automated. You can plug it in your website, schedule it, connect it to the database of the topics, build SaaS product, and charge monthly. The ChatGPT website can't do that one. Okay, so this, I hope you understand what exactly it is. So do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any query, just let me know. And if you like the video, please do like, share, and comment on my video. Thank you so much. Have a great day.